How to fix Windows fatal error C0000022 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And such type of error when you face, here are the fix, and the first workaround is go to Windows settings and revoke previously installed Windows Update. Go to Windows Update from the left side and here scroll down and click on Update History, and thereafter scroll down, and at the bottom of the settings page you will find uninstall options. So choose uninstall updates and find out latest update installed in your system and uninstall it. And check whether your Windows 11 fatal error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is run DISM tool or SFCS scan now tool. To do so, type CMD in Windows search and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator, and in command prompt Windows you will have to execute these three commands, DISM tool commands as shown on screen: DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and let the window complete the process. Once successfully DISM tool executed, then execute SFC/scan now. Press enter and it will scan your system for any corrupted file system and it will repair them. After that, check whether your Windows fatal error resolved or not. If not, go to one more fixes, restore system. Press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box and type RSTRUI shortcut command to open system restore windows. Restore system files and settings. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. System restore does not affect any of your documents, picture, or other personal data. Recently installed programs and drivers might be uninstalled. So run a system restore, click on next and choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. So select a restore point from where your computer was in good state. So select it. You may check show more options and select it and choose next, and finally confirm your restoration point and choose finish. That's all.